Today we start learning how to combine multiple datasets. So I have CO2 dataset. I'm gonna add my energy dataset, add GDP dataset, and then add my population dataset. So to combine these data, I was gonna just remove this one. If I need to start from my CO2 data, if I need to combine, just drag energy dataset on the right. So if you need to combine, you have to check the primary key and foreign key for each one. We have the country name and we have the year. For each one we have country name and we have the year. So this is the primary foreign key, so you can build your relationship database. To build the relationship, we have to choose year from here. You can also add another field, the relationship based on also country name from this side and country from this side. But if you check the format for the year, supposed to be not a numerical, supposed to be date, so you have to change to date, and you have to go for energy also and change the year from numerical to date. There we go. I can add my GDP dataset on the right. Same, we have year from this side and we have GDP, have to change it to year, but our year in GD and GDP dataset we have to change it from time numerical to date. And here we go. We can add also the we can add more fields. We have country from this side, we have country one from this side. Also we have total population. We can just drag it here. We have more field. One of them is a year, the second one is the year. But the year in total also we need to change it from numerical to date. And also we need to add we have country from this side and we have country from this side. And here we go. Before you go, you have to check your data. If you have energy use, supposed to be this as a number decimal, and GDP I have as supposed to be not string data, supposed to be number as a whole. So check your data before you start working on it. It depends on you what you want to present. For me, I'm gonna check the country name first, and I was gonna put the CO2 per capita in the color. So now I have CO2 per capita, the amount of CO2 emitted for each country. If I need to change my plate, I like the red green diverse. If you need to put the start and end, you have to change this one. For example, this one 0. Customize, you have to change it 622, and then check the step. The step color is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and given the reverse, I need this one. The reverse is better for me, so I have the high and I have the low value, so for each capita. If you need to drag, for example, what else you need? The country name, you have the country name, drag it for the label, so you can check the country name for on the maps. If you need to move the country name, just click on it and remove. Country name on the map, country name on need to remove. I'm just drag country name back, and then as my color. So if you need to create another sheet, and for example you need in this sheet to present the country, you have country, and then you need to check the energy per use. Same, this is the amount of energy per use, and from here you can go for color, also edit color, and if I need add color for their energy use, edit to color, and from color I can change edit color to plate, red to blue, whatever, the green, and then here we go, steps, reverse, I like this reverse, and then you can check the amount of the energy use there. Is actually depend on you and the purpose of your goal to present. If you need to the amount of GDP, let's gonna give him the, if I need to give him my years in the columns and I need the country one to be on my rows, so you'll have the amount of the this is, I give him my country. No, I don't need my country. Um, I need my current GDP, so it can show the current GDP per year. I put my year on the column and the current GDP on the rows. And if you need to put, it can change from here. You can put the title for this one, just edit title. If you need to show this, just the, for example, line graph, whatever you like to, you name it, just click on it. You can name it line graph. This sheet number 2, this is the can edit, this is energy per use, and click on it, and you have to back to your sheet 1 if you need to. This is a global CO2 emission. Okay, global CO2 emission. You name it, you rename it. It's depend on you wanting to apply whatever you like. And then the most important things, after you finish your work, you have to build your dashboard. So to build your dashboard, you go for dashboard and a new dashboard. So you have to drag them and drop there and build your dashboard wherever you like. I don't like it from this side. That's gonna keep it my dashboard sheet number 2 in the middle, and here sheet number 2. And in sheet number 3, maybe this side, sheet number 3. Can make it bigger. Need to make it some bigger, and I'll give him some size. So this is how you build your spreadsheet, and this is a dashboard. And if you need to change whatever you like, you can. For example, you have to back. If I need to add my years, I filter my years depend on specific years. I don't need to show for all the years. I put my years in the filter and then apply all. Give him apply and OK. So from here I can add the give me show filter. So now I have the years for all filters. For example, this is, you don't need, this is take a lot of space, so let's gonna keep it, click on this narrow and then single value drum book. So now I have single value. I can choose the year that and show the CO2 for it. And then if I go to dashboard, I will see I have the where's my capital CO2. I can change the year, but I can put this one down, and this one okay as my filter. Yeah, this year supposed to be in here. Gonna change this one. I'm gonna change this one. I have sheet, keep him here. Okay, I was gonna remove this one. I have my sheet in here, remove this one. There we go, this is a year. So you can change from here, specific the years you need, and then here we go, you can build your. And after that, if you need to save your work, you go for file and save as, and you can just keep it on desktop, whatever you need to name it. This is like for test, for example, test values, test, and you save it. You'll have saved it all your work on the test. If you need to back it, you go for the test, you go for open, and you open your data. If you need to publish this your work, your dashboard online, so everyone can use this data and useful, go for dashboard, and then we go for in here and file, and then save to public, Tableau Public. So you have to sign in your account, and then you have to put your email and password and sign in, and then your dashboard gonna publish in the public Tableau. So this is all you need to know about how to manipulate your Tableau Public. It's a lot of things you can just manipulate and figure out yourself. I will leave the data, all these data that we practice today in the description below, so you can use it and you manipulate your data, and after that you can publish your data so everyone can use your data. Just go for file and go for save to public, and then you have to put your username and password, and then click publish, and your data will be published and anyone can use it and use this one. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.